Assalamu alaikum sir. Thank you sir for giving me a golden opportunity to say something about my presentation. I am Ivy Rahman. My ID 1812947 and my presentation topic is methotrexate. What is methotrexate? Methotrexate is formerly known as amitriptyline. Is an antimetabolite with an anti-inflammatory properties and possibly immunosuppressive effect. In 1971, US FDA approved methotrexate for the treatment of psoriasis. Its chemical formula is C20H22N8O5 and it is similar structurally. It is similar to the folic acid. Now the next point is mechanism of action. Methotrexate is competitively inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase. The synthesis of tetrahydrofolate reductase is decreases due to the synthesis of the nucleoside thymidine is also decreases. This inhibit the synthesis of DNA. Further, the purine synthesis is also inhibited by the methotrexate. And the tetrahydrofluoride is important for the synthesis of purine also. Methods of synthesis: condensation of 2,3-dibromo phenaldehyde with 2,4,5,6 tetraaminopyrimidine to produce 6-bromomethyl 2,4-diaminopyridine. 6-bromo-2-methyl-diaminopyridine will undergoes the condensation with n-paramethyl aminobenzyl glutamic acid. This will lead to the synthesis of methotrexate. And now the next point is SAR or structure activity relationship. Replacement of the glutamate tail in the lipophilic agent can increase the transportation of the drug to the folate carrier system. The thiourea entry in the increase the activity of the drug. Replacement of the thiazole ring with imidazole with increase the activity of the drug. Substitution of second, third and sixth position in the quinalogen nucleus will inhibit the action of the drug. Substitution of the ortho and para position is a phenyl ring will decrease the tendency of the drug to bind to DHFR, thus decreasing the activity of the drug. Combining drug with the copper metal can also increase the activity of drug. Now the next point is therapeutic doses. It is used in the severe therapeutic uses like severe psoriasis, severe acute rheumatoid arthritis, acute lymphocytic and lymphoblastic anemia, leukemia, dyslipidemia, psoriasis, breast cancer, epidermal cancer of the neck and heart, head and neck, advanced meiosis, lung cancer, etc. It has various side effects like weight loss, fever, vomiting and mouth source blood in the urine, kidney problems in little, liver problems, nerve problems like confusion, weakness, headache, etc. Bison is the tumor cells is the breakdown. That's all about me. Thank you.